Hello students, welcome back to our online class with Best English School and with me, your English teacher Havisha Patel students. So students, in the previous video I have already completed the part 1 of the chapter 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, right? And I hope that you all have completed the homework and you have done it very well. So we won't waste our time. So let's begin our part 2. So see, in the part 1 we have completed till that Bipin Babu had paid for the books and then he just left the shop, and the man to whom he was talking, he was also in a very utter disbelief, means he was also in a shock, right? So in the part 2 the next incident is occupying, okay? So, Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, "Just drive by the Ganga. Will you, Sita Ram?" Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident, which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. He had an excellent memory, unless Bipin Babu's head reeled. Means students that the Bipin Babu safely parked his car in Bertram Street इन बाय द लाइट हाउस सिनेमा, मीन्स सिनेमा की वहाँ पे उन्होंने अपनी कार पार्क की थी. एंड ही देन टोल्ड टू द ड्राइवर दैट ही टुक इन टू द कार एंड जस्ट ड्राइव बाय द गंगा, मतलब गंगा रिवर के वहाँ पे ड्राइव करते करते तुम चलो. ही टोल्ड टू हिज ड्राइवर. And then after he was driving up the Strand Road and Bipin Babu just regretted that कि उसे regret हो रहा था. regret मतलब उसे अफसोस हो रहा था कि why he had given so much attention to the intruder, means to the person to whom he was talking. And then he was just thinking about that कि he had never been to Ranchi, means वो कभी भी रांची गया ही नहीं है. And no question about it, means he was so confident that he had never went to Ranchi, and it was inconceivable that it is impossible that he can forget such type of incident that have been took place 6 or 7 years ago. मतलब 6 or 7 years ago के पहले ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ है और उन्हें याद नहीं है. दैट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज ही हैड एन वेरी एक्सेलेंट मेमोरी अनलेस बिपिन बाबूज हेड हील्ड, मीन्स जब तक उनके हेड्स हील्ड नहीं हुए थे देन ही वॉज हैविंग अ वेरी एक्सीलेंट memory. See, heads healed means you can see in the meaning section. He was shocked and confused. Heads healed means Bipin Babu's head was very much confused and he was in very much shocked. Okay, so he was just thinking about it while he was sitting in the car and he was just traveling behind the river Ganga. So in the next words, was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job. He was not aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting, and yet. So he was thinking, am I losing his mind? Means मैं अपना mind खो रहा हूँ. Like, but how could that be? Means वो कैसे हो सकता है? Because he was working daily in his office, right? It was a very big firm and he was very much responsible. He was having a very responsible job. मतलब उसके बाद बहुत अच्छा responsible work था. And he was not aware of anything like that type of serious wrong. मतलब उन्हें ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा wrong चीज़ किया हो. Nothing. Because why? You know that? Because he had spoke for half an hour at an important meeting. मतलब एक important meeting में he talked half an hour. So that means he is good enough to talk to anyone else, right? He is not mad by just doing like that type of stuff. So then and yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? He even seemed to know some intimate details. The bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. In 58, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Hari Das Bagchi's place. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Hari Das. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Hari Das had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago and he did not have his address. But where was the need for proof? He himself was fully aware that he had not been to Ranchi, and that was that. So what happened, students? And yet the man knew a great deal about it. Means then afterwards he was thinking about the Bipin Chandra was thinking that कि that person know a great thing about him. मतलब वो इनके बारे में बहुत कुछ जानता है, right? Means he was having a very good information about the Bipin Chandra, right? Like there was a bag of books, मतलब उसके बैग में बहुत सारे बुक्स है, उनकी वाइफ की डेथ हो चुकी है, and brother's insanity also. Yeah, but he was thinking that the only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. मतलब उसने जो भी चीज़ें बोली वो सारी राइट है, बट एक्चुअली उसने एक ही मिस्टेक हुई कि मैं कभी रांची गया हूँ, एंड इट वॉज अ मिस्टेक. डेफिनेटली इट वॉज अ लाई. वो झूठ बोल रहा है. He was Bipin Chandra was thinking about that because in 58 during the pujas he was in Kanpur with his friend Haridas Bagchi's place, and Bipin was very much confident about it, and all Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Haridas. मतलब what happened? बिपिन चंद्र ने सोचा स्टूडेंट्स कि अब मैं उसे लिख के पूछता हूँ ये चीज़ कि हरिदास को, वो मतलब उसके फ्रेंड को लिख के पूछता हूँ कि ऐसा था क्या. बट उसने सडनली सोचा, अरे उसे याद आया कि हरिदास हैज़ लेफ्ट विथ हिज वाइफ फॉर जापान. वो तो अपनी वाइफ के साथ जापान चला जा चुका है सम वीक्स अगो, मतलब बहुत वीक पहले, एंड ही डजेंट हैव एनी एड्रेस. So how could he can write it about that one, right students? Then afterwards he thought, why I need a proof? मुझे प्रूफ की ज़रूरत क्या है? मुझे तो पता ही है कि मैं तो रांची गया ही नहीं हूँ, बस वही काफ़ी है. He was thinking like that way also students. Okay. The river breeze was bracing, and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. Around Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. There was the mark of an old inch-long cut. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. So what happened, students? In his mind he was just thinking, he was in very deep thinking, and he was just having a very much confusion, and he was shocked about that person, that where he had meet that person, and he was right, but he was sure that he hadn't never gone to Ranchi. But then afterwards, while thinking about it, he just decided to roll up his trouser. वो अपने trousers जो pants थे उनको roll up करके वो अपने right knee देखने लगता है. तो right knee जब देखता है तब उन्हें वहाँ से दिखाई देता है एक बहुत बड़ा लंबा कट हुआ होता है, लॉन्ग कट आप जैसे बोल सकते हैं. स्क्रैच एक बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग कट हुआ होता है, और उन्हें ये चीज़ याद ही नहीं है कि वो इंजरी कैसे हुई थी. इट वॉज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू टेल व्हेन द इंजरी हैड ऑकर्ड. मीन्स उन्हें वो चीज़ याद ही नहीं है कि वो इंजरी हुई कैसी है. और ये सब चीज़ें वो कहाँ पे बैठ के सोच रहे बेटा? वो कार में ही बैठ के सोच रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ही हैवंट रीच राइट नाउ द होम. ओके, ही वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड सिटिंग इन द कार बिहाइंड द रिवर गंगा. ओके, एंड द ड्राइवर वॉज ड्राइविंग द कार. ओके, नाउ Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee? He tried to recall such an incident but could not. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near in Binin Nandan Street. What about going right now? And then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh's sarcasm could be. So what students, what happened? That had he never had a fall as a boy, मतलब वो ये सोचने लगा कि मैं कभी छोटे में बचपन में गिरा हूँ एंड ये नी में जो कट है वो उस टाइम में हुआ हो, क्या पता बचपन में कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ. बट he was thinking, he was confused actually, right? Then afterwards he remembered suddenly that the person has told that Dinesh Mukherjee was also at that time in Ranchi. मतलब दिनेश मुखर्जी भी उस टाइम रांची में ही थे. So he thought that would be sure that he knew that I have went to Ranchi or not, right? कि उन्हें तो पता ही होगा कि वो रांची गए हैं कि नहीं गए हैं, right? Then he had really never been to Ranchi, and what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? तो उन्होंने सोचा कि वो तो यहाँ पे ही रहता है, तो चलो उनके पास जाके पूछ आता हूँ. फिर उसने सोचा कि नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करूँगा मैं. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ बाई चांस वो वहाँ पे गए और वहाँ पे उन्होंने ऐसा पूछा तो दिनेश मुखर्जी को ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं पागल हो चुका, आई एम गोइंग नट्स, मतलब माई माइंड हैव बीन गॉन नट्स, एंड इसलिए मुझे कुछ याद नहीं रह रहा है और इसलिए ये पागल हो चुका है. वो ऐसा सोचेगा मैं बाई चांस ये पूछने गया तो. Then afterwards he thought no, it would be a ridiculous outcome. He thought that it would be a ridiculous idea to ask him about that he had went to Ranchi or not, students. Okay, then afterwards he thought that would be, and also obviously the Dinesh Mukherjee is very much ruthless. मीन्स वो अच्छा व्यक्ति नहीं है, वो मजाक उड़ाएगा एंड सार्केज़म के वे में, मतलब एक टोंट के वे में ही विल गिव द आंसर ऑल्सो. सो दैट वुड बी अ वेरी बैड आइडिया टू आस्क दिनेश मुखर्जी अबाउट इट. ओके, नाउ sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in New Market. Next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face would not show. 235616. Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello, is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58. So what happened, students, is that sipping a cold drink, Bipin Chaudhary was just drinking the cold drink in a air conditioned living room. वो अपने घर पहुंच गया and वो अपने living room में बैठा था और वो cold drink पी रहा था. Then afterwards he thought that what a nuisance it was. Means how could be anybody that have nothing else to do, मतलब उसके पास कोई काम नहीं है and he just wanted to getting into other people's hair, मतलब दूसरे के काम में टांग अड़ाना, like that way. He was just talking like that way, students. Okay. And then what happened at that time after dinner, means he had having a very good dinner, and that he was snuggling मतलब he was just resting in bed with one of the new thrillers. मतलब उसने जो बुक खरीदा था उसमें से एक बुक, उस देयर वाज अ वेरी डेलिकेट थ्रिलर बुक. And then बिपिन बाबू फॉरगॉट ऑल अबाउट दैट न्यू मार्केट मैन. मतलब जो पर्सन उसे मिला था न्यू मार्केट में, उसके बारे में वो बिल्कुल भूल गया. देन नेक्स्ट डे इन द ऑफिस, नेक्स्ट डे जब बिपिन बाबू ने नोटिस किया कि जितने आवर्स, मतलब 1 घंटा 2 घंटा 3 घंटा, लाइक दैट वे इट वॉज गोइंग पासिंग बाय, द प्रीवियस डे इनकाउंटेड वॉज ऑक्यूपाइंग मोर एंड मोर ऑफ हिज माइंड. मतलब जो पहले उसके साथ मिले वो और उसके साथ जो बात हुई वो सब चीज़ें वो याद करने लगे. ही वॉज जस्ट मेमोराइजिंग ऑल दैट वन. And then afterwards he thought that how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip. मतलब he was told each and everything correct, right? But the topic that the Bipin Chandra had went to Ranchi, that was a mistake and that was a lie, right? So that type of confusion was there in his mind. So before lunch बिपिन just decided to ring up दिनेश मुखर्जी. उसने सोचा कि मैं अब दिनेश मुखर्जी को फ़ोन करके ये चीज़ सेटल कर देता हूँ. हाँ ओके फाइन, इट वुड बी एम्बेरसमेंट बट आई विल नो द ट्रूथ, राइट? आई विल नो द ट्रूथ थिंग. So then afterwards he dialed the number and then he said, hello, is that Dinesh? I am Bipin here. So he said, what's the news? Who said? Dinesh said. Then Bipin said, I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took in 58. मतलब मुझे एक चीज़ पूछना है कि तुम मुझे वो इंसिडेंट के बारे में बता सकते हो जो 58 में हुआ था. Then afterwards 58, what incident? Were you in Calcutta right through that year? That's the first thing I have got to know. Wait, just a minute. 58? Just let me check in my diary. For a minute there was silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. He was sweating a little. Hello? Yes, I have got it. I have been out twice. Where? Once in February nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then, but you know about this one, this trip, the trip to Ranchi. You were there too. That's all. But what's all this slithering about? No, I just wanted to. Anyway, thanks. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands. He felt his head swimming. A chill seemed to spread over his body. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite. So what happened, students? This is very much interesting, right? That he asked 58 what incident. तो उसके जो फ्रेंड थे दिनेश मुखर्जी, उन्होंने सोचा क्या पता मैं उस टाइम कैलकाटा में था क्या, या फिर मुझे नहीं पता, रुको मुझे 1 मिनट, गिव अ सेकेंड, लेट मी चेक इन डायरी. वो मतलब इससे पता चलता है कि दिनेश मुखर्जी डायरी लिखते हैं, राइट? देन देयर वॉज अ साइलेंस एंड उस टाइम में बिपिन बाबू के ऐसे हार्ट बीट गॉन अप हो रही थी, मतलब हार्ट बीट धक धक ऐसे होने रही थी. एंड ही वॉज वेरी मच स्वेटिंग, उन्हें बहुत पसीने आ रहे थे. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स दिनेश मुखर्जी सेड, हेलो, येस आई हैव गॉट इट, आई हैव बीन आउट ट्वाइस. मतलब उस टाइम में मैं 2 बार बाहर गया था. एक तो मैं फरवरी में गया था कृष्णानगर, जहाँ पे उनकी नेफ्यू का वेडिंग था, और दूसरे मैं गया था रांची, जहाँ पे तुम भी थे. मतलब दिनेश बाबू ने बोला कि वहाँ पे तो तुम भी थे. दैट मीन्स बिपिन बाबू वॉज ऑल्सो इन रांची. So when he had heard that he was also in the Ranchi, he just having a very shock. So then afterwards what he has said that no, I just wanted to anyway, thanks. उन्होंने क्या किया, वो बात को नेगलेक्ट कर दिया, बात को कट कर दिया. Then बिपिन बाबू slammed the receiver down. उन्होंने फ़ोन रख दिया और वो अपने हैंड्स को अपने सिर में ऐसे घुमाने लगे. उनकी हेड जो था वो ऐसे घूमने लगा था. ही वॉज जस्ट confused and in a shock way, right? तो उनके सामने सैंडविच, उनके टिफ़िन बॉक्स में सैंडविचेस पड़ी थी, बट वो ऐसा जब उन्होंने सुना तो उन्होंने वो खा भी नहीं पाए. ही डिडंट ईट देम. द सैंडविचेस वॉज एज इट इज़ इन द टिफ़िन बॉक्स एंड ही हैड जस्ट लॉस्ट हिज एप्टीट्यूड. स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब उन्हें कुछ पता ही नहीं था, वो एकदम होश में ही नहीं थे. ही वॉज वेरी मच कन्फ्यूज्ड. Okay students, so this were the part 2 of the chapter 4. So now in the same as we have done part 1 meanings also, so in this one part 2 meanings we will definitely do. So this one is the meaning: head reeled, he was shocked and confused. And the next one is losing his mind, becoming mad. Intimate means very personal and private. Bracing, B-R-A-C-I-N-G. Bracing means stimulating. Over here these are the two. Going nuts means going mad, crazy. Then getting into people's hair means interfering with and annoying people. Interfering with and annoying people. So then the last two were the last one. Sleuthing means investigating an event. Investigate करना. Sleuthing means investigate करना, पता करना. Okay. So similar way students, you have to write these meanings in your notebook and make 2 sentences of each of the meaning. आपको सारे मीनिंग्स के 2-2 सेंटेंस बनाने हैं एंड यू ऑल हैव टू सेंड मी इन द ग्रुप. आप लोग ग्रुप में नहीं भेज रहे हो होमवर्क, आप लोग सबको होमवर्क भेजना है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो दैट वुड बी बेटर. So this one is your homework. Read the chapter part 1 and part 2 and write the meanings in your notebook and have 2 sentences of each of the meanings. Okay students? So till there I will see you in the next video with part 3. So stay home, stay safe. With the help of this line I would like to pack up. So bye bye students.